Nova 6 Quebec, 4,000 feet, 0471.
Golf 6, Alpha General 6 Quebec, 4000, 0471, Itaro 1576.
Correct, echo Quebec assume released.
Roger.
At the Linate ground, General Aviation Parking 3, follow me car inside, request startup.
25, start approved.
Startup approved.
1723, tower 1181.
81, Itaro 1723, ciao.
Okay, before start checklist, internet on, CBA2 in, safety pins.
Remove.
Gravity cross flow checked, windshield window heat checked, pressurization set, altimeters.
1018, reading 360 feet, set and cross-checked.
350 set and cross checked, CAS.
Checked.
Checked. Takeoff data set. Trips neutral 4.4 set. Passenger
1576, start up and pushback approved. Release point Quebec 3.
Emergency takeoff briefings.
Start push approved, Quebec 3, Itaro
Start checklist
15.
completed.
Start checklist.
Start checklist. Doors.
Closed.
Parking brake.
On.
Fuel quantity and balance.
Checked.
Beacon.
On.
Left and right boost pumps.
On and checked.
Leader.
Set for start.
Ignition.
Alpha arm.
Right and engine clear. Right.
Starting engine number 2. Start time. 20. And 1 below 120.
Start a cutout at 25.
6 pressure and decreasing.
Fuel system check valve operation.
Progress. Checked.
And left and engine.
Clear. Starting engine number 1. Start time. 20. And 1 below 120.
Start a cutout at 23.
2, 4, 6, 4, oil pressure ever decreasing 2%. Good start after start flow. Guess we can shut down the engine when it's ready.
Yep.
Watch your knees. Okay, I have SMS 1 on my side. Temperature and wind speeds are posted and double checked. 4170 total. We are missing the needle. Please my reminder. Fly directly is coupled on my side. HR5 altitude 4000 feet. 460. Wind 018. 1860. 180 on the heading. We have blue over brown. No flags, no warnings. And of course we are still missing here 1. After start check.
The start checklist Gen 1 and Gen 2.
On.
AC/DC pages.
Checked.
APU Gen.
Off.
10 stage bleed on engine. APU.
Off.
Ignition.
These are
Max.
Order.
Approaching stage valve, left and right, checked anti-ice, wing, checked, wing anti-ice, isolation valve, checked, anti-ice, cowl, checked, wing anti-ice, off, cowl anti-ice, on, APR,
Checked and armed.
ground flight spoilers,
Checked and auto.
FMS mode sync, laps 20, ADG control unit, flight controls,
Checked.
no steer,
Armed.
flight instruments, CAS,
Checked. We are missing the NITO.
checked, the start checklist, one open item, supplement ground, wing anti-ice. Request taxi.
25 taxi November 1 with a full limit and November 5, QNH 1017.
QNH 1017, taxi via November and behind me, follow me to November 5.
Ground Itaro 1576, ready for taxi.
576 taxi holding point Tango 1, Bravo Tango, QNH 1017.
Ground wing anti-icing checked, after start
Tango 1, Bravo Tango 1017, Itaro 1576.
Ground local 91 Delta on Golf.
1 Delta, continue send 5, Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie to stand 5, 91 Delta.
My brakes are checked. Oh, there's...
Powerful.
Yeah, your brakes.
My brakes. Checked. Gear brakes.
Cabin secure. My brakes.
Brakes.
Checked.
Checked. Thrust reversers.
Checked.
Takeoff brief.
Straight ahead in case of single engine, as discussed. Otherwise, we follow this, bearing in mind that for quite a while we have 180 knots maximum speed.
Checked any hand flying or modes.
We're not much, maybe just the first mode will be standard, just now the vertical speed.
Okay. Taxi checklist complete.
Continue holding point Tango 1, Charlie Bravo Tango.
Charlie, Bravo, Tango, Tango 1.
Charlie, Bravo, Tango, Tango 1. So Charlie is the first one, then Bravo is the middle one.
Yep.
Tango all the way down to Tango 1, which if you just double check what is the holding point for another 6.
Yes.
Thank you. CBT. Easy to remember.
Milan ready.
We're 1181, bye.
1181.
Bound traffic 9 miles. Are you ready for departure?
Affirm.
Say again. I read you 2 by 5.
Affirm. Ready for departure.
Roger, runway 35, line up and clear for takeoff, wind 230 degrees, 3 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35.
Final is clear.
Tower 1288, departure is on the road.
NTIs.
Copy, this is Tower 1288, landing.
Probes on, CAS.
Takeoff config okay.
Takeoff company okay, runway heading.
Is check 35.
Checked. Takeoff clearance.
Obtained.
Obtained. Below the line complete.
Ready.
Ready.
Check takeoff thrust.
Takeoff thrust. Checked. 80.
Checked.
V1. Rotate.
Tower 1288, runway 35, clear to land, wind 230 degrees, 3 knots.
Select.
Land 35, Tower 1288.
Vertical speed. Gear up.
Radar contact, Milano 1263, bye.
126.3. Goodbye.
Right to my side, only one vertical speed.
Checked. Milan radar, good day. ABSEM 6 Alpha departure, passing 2,300, climbing 4,000 feet.
Climb for travel 190, free speed.
Free speed, climb flight level 190.
190 center standard. So passing flight level 30 now.
Standard set checked.
And we have free speed, so I just accelerate. 200. By the way, flight level 190 reception is flap 0. Select behind thrust.
Left reset. The takeoff checklist, landing gear lever up, flaps 0, thrust reverses off, unjust set, gas clear, pressurization checked. The takeoff checklist completed. Interesting that we overshot. I think that's why it's 180 knots. Yeah.
Something there.
576, contact 135, 455, ciao.
135, 455, Itaro 1576 flight.
So flight level
And up on 580, so we can make a shortcut if you want. Okay, sir, in this case, fly heading 130, the track miles 20. With turn left heading 130 on 580, comment. Direct to Vapup.
Correct, Bapo. Correct, Bapo. Check. Execute.
approaching flight level 100. Slowly accelerate 7 and ground checklist.
Does make sense.
130
13018, ciao.
130.18. Ciao, ciao. Passenger number 127, landing flight level 190.
Ciao. Line to flight level 270.
Land flight level 270.
Milano, buongiorno, col Mark 946 Bravo, descending flight level 2202, Nixo.
That's how it's done.
Ciao Mark 946 Bravo, Milano, radar contact.